Welcome back to the channel. If you are into new build homes in Las Vegas, then continue watching. Today we're going to be doing a tour at the Paloverde model. This is in the community of Cordova, built by Pulte Homes. We're off of the 215 and Buffalo area of South Las Vegas. So if you guys are into new builds, continue watching. We're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to have Ramiro, my cameraman, with the POV. So if you guys like this style, let me know. You guys get to hear his reactions and get to see his behind the scenes of what he's doing behind the camera. Okay, so this Paloverde home is 3,074 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms with a 5-bedroom option as a dual suite. It's a 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and base price starts off at $578,990. Now that's the base price. It doesn't include any of the lot premiums, okay? They do have the amenity right here. One of the amenities that they have is a dog park with the running area for them. It's not a gated community. The average lot size for this particular builder, majority of these homes are about 3,300 square feet. HOA starts off at $40. There's no SIDS and LIDs, no master plan fee. And there's 153 homes being built in this specific community. Okay, so we're gonna start off right here. You're gonna have your pavers in your garage area. You're gonna have pavers in your walkthrough. Desert landscaping is already gonna be included, but check this out, guys. There's gonna be 3 different elevations to choose from for this particular model. This one has a front balcony right there, as you can see. You have the nice stones in the front, and then you also have 3 stories. Now, I don't know about you, but I used to love 3-story homes when I was younger. Not anymore, just because I have a family, so you know, too many stairs is a lot of walking. So just something to keep in mind.
I agree with you.
Yeah. So we're gonna walk right here. You're gonna walk to the 2nd floor. When you enter, you have a covered patio, and you have a large door right here. Black hardware, stucco exterior finishes. Nicely done. Hey, welcome to your home, guys. All right, and by the way, guys, I want to let you know that we do get calls every single day from people just like you. So whether it's 7 days or 3 months, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text, schedule that Zoom call, send me an email, and I would love to help you make that smooth move to Las Vegas, okay? So let's get started. When you're here in your foyer, you have 3 different sections. You have your 1st floor right here, you have the 2nd floor, and then you have the 3rd floor above. But as usual, let's start off with the 1st floor. These are gonna be about 9 feet right here. I mean, you have that, look at how high that ceiling is right here, right when you walk into the foyer. And then you have this large window right here to my right. Lots of natural light coming inside the home. Okay, we're gonna walk downstairs right here. In this specific model, the downstairs right here is the option to add it. It comes as a standard game room. So you're actually, this wall right here is gonna be open. This is gonna be an open floor plan if you don't decide to get this as the option. Okay, right here, you're gonna have your large living room area, and then you have your owner suite right here. But before we walk into that, right behind my cameraman, you're gonna have this storage area right underneath the staircase. You have a large storage right there. This would be your entry from your garage. Okay, but check this out, guys. Look at this. I mean, you have 8-foot ceilings. You have this upgraded tile ceramic flooring. Standard comes as a 12 by 12 ceramic tiles. Okay, you're gonna have your vinyls in your wet areas. But right here, you're gonna have a carpet in this large owner suite. Large window right there that overlooks the backyard. But check this out, I mean, large king-size bedroom. You have your nightstands on the side. I mean, this is a very, very large feel. So if you have extra guests or you have another family that you want to rent this out to, I mean, this is the option, right? Or if you want to just keep it as the game room. I mean, man cave for all the men out there, you know, that's an option as well. Now we're gonna walk into the owner suite's bathroom. You have your toilet right here to the right. You have your upgraded tile floorings. And then you have this nice quartz countertop with the undermount sink, black hardware. You have this gray cabinets with the gold hardware right here. Very nicely done with the Pulte home models. And then you have this very, very nice walk-in shower, very seamless. It's like a 1/2-inch step down right here. You have this nice backsplash, different design. You have the squares right here in the rectangle, and you have like a little window right there. You also get a bench right here. I like this. You don't have to step over any tubs, just complete walk-in. And then right here you have a decent sized walk-in closet. This would be mine. Everything else would be hers. Oh, this might be mine actually.
You're not lying.
Don't you agree? All right, so as we exit this suite, we're gonna go to the backyard. Now this backyard, the only way to access this is to come downstairs to the first floor. You have this slider right here. And just wanted to remind you guys that this is an option. This covered patio is not included. This is an option from here to all the way where my cameraman is walking back to. But the cool thing is, if you decide that you guys want to do this covered patio upgrade, you will get the pavers from end to end, but you get a balcony above. So as he walks back right there, you're gonna see that you have a pretty large balcony right above with those nice framing bars and with the stucco finish. But I mean, this is a large home, guys.
So if I want the patio, I have to get the balcony, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. And then right here, obviously you have your artificial grass. This is not included. This is a model home. And you're gonna have your pavers right here that's upgraded as well. They have a fire pit for inspiration if you guys decide. Because Vegas does get cold too. It's not just about being hot in Las Vegas where you want the upgraded covered patio, but it does get cold in the desert. Weird, but I mean, I don't know if you can see it right here. I still see it. There's like snow at the mountaintops over there going towards Mount Charleston. And then to the left of this home, you have the AC units right here. That's where it's gonna be hiding. All right, let's walk back into the home. What do you guys think so far? Do you guys like this specific model? Just seeing on, based on the first floor. If you guys do, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, and give me a like on this video. And let me know if you like this style of what we're doing with the POV of my cameraman being behind the scenes. Now, we're gonna walk to the second floor. You're gonna watch your step right here. Okay. Now, guys, when you look at this second floor, you're gonna be amazed. This is such an open format that, I mean, look at the size of this living room. This living room alone, you got 2 sectionals right here. You have a large, actually this is a medium-sized coffee table. You have the TV right here, your mantle, your electric fireplace, which is an upgrade. You have your 2 windows right here. Now these windows are pretty large too, so it gives a lot of natural light in this home. You have your pre-wired fan above. I mean, huge, right? And then look, big kitchen, large island in the middle. You have 6 bar stool seatings right here. I mean, this is oversized island. Okay, and then I noticed too, like, there's a little cut right here in the middle that's combined, but some of the builders, you want to make sure that this seam is in the middle. Okay, so that's one piece, and then they cut it for the other, but I always like to be symmetrical.
What if they put this right here?
You don't want that to happen because sometimes some of the builders cut it somewhere in the middle versus aligning it with your actual hardware. So you don't want that to happen.
So when should you look at that? Is it during the walkthrough? Look at that?
I would definitely look at that when you guys are doing the final walkthrough. Yes, good question. This is a quartz countertop and it's a matte finish. The other side is a glossy finish. So it's gonna be 2 different tones. Okay, so as we continue right here, you have your fridge, which is not gonna be included. You have a lot of cabinet space. I mean, all the cabinets are all the way up to the ceilings. That's an upgrade because most of the time it only cuts off at the first level. The extra ones are upgrade.
I'm assuming probably right here is the cutoff?
Yes, exactly. And then right here, you have a pantry. I mean, for the size of this kitchen, I would have thought that it would be a little bit bigger, but this is what you get. And then you have your built-in microwave right here with a built-in oven. Lots of cabinet space, like I said. These are not soft close. You have the gold hardwares right here for the ladies that love gold. I mean, some men love the gold too. You have your stainless steel hood. You have your 5 stovetop burner, and you also get another oven. So you have 2 ovens. Upgraded backsplash that goes all the way up to the ceiling. And then look guys, this is the glossy finish that I was telling you about. Then you have the large window right here, but then you also get one of these dishwashers right in the middle of your island as well. Lots of cabinet space, lots of counter space. So if you like this kitchen, which I'm pretty impressed with that build out. I think that's pretty cool. And then right here you have a step out to your balcony. This balcony is facing your backyard, it faces your neighbors, and it does also face the mountainside. There's Red Rock, there's Mount Charleston over there. It's a 20-minute drive probably from where we're located, off of Buffalo and 215. Okay, and I mean you got a pretty large balcony from end to end.
So this is an upgrade, right?
This is the upgrade as well. If you get the covered patio, you will get the upgrade for the balcony for it as well. If you guys do find value in this video, subscribe to the channel, tap that notification bell so you are always aware whenever I do any of these home tours, and don't forget to like this video. Okay, now we're gonna walk to the
There's more?
Huh? Yeah, there's more. There's a lot more actually.
We're still second level, right?
We're still in the second floor, in the middle of the house. I almost forgot we were about to pass by. This is the private bathroom right now, so I can't show you because it's locked. But here is the laundry room. You have the upgraded sink right here with the cabinets. Washer dryer not included. Okay, this is your panel box for your modems. I mean, we're just in the middle of the second floor. And then right here, guys, check this out. This is your den or a loft, or whatever you want to call it. You can create this as an office too. Large window right here, and then you have your balcony facing the front of the house. So you get two balconies for this specific model. Now, I don't know about you, but I haven't seen a lot of homes that I've done on any of my tours that have two balconies, and especially one in the front. So you get to see that this is the front of the community. It's not gonna be gated. That street is facing Buffalo. Okay, let's walk back into the house. Now that we're finished with the second floor, I know you guys been waiting. Let's go to the third floor. And guys, this is a 5-bedroom house. You also get this window right here. I don't know if I pointed that out yet, but let's take it easy, walk up the stairs. And then you have rectangle windows, and you have another large window right here. And now we're getting to the third floor. This is all gonna be carpet. We're gonna start off here to the left side of your screen. These are gonna be where all the bedrooms are. This is bedroom 2, 3, and 4. Standard bedrooms. You have a little section right here for your closet. Right across, you have your full bath. You have your toilet, stand-up shower with a tub combo, upgraded backsplash, large window right there. And then you have your two drop-in, actually the two undermount sinks with the black hardware. All right, and then back to the hallway. And then right here, you have your linen closet. And then two of the other rooms left and right. And one of the rooms you have, it's a standard room, which is this one. Okay, and then when you come back out that way, you're gonna have this room, which is actually slightly a small walk-in closet, actually.
Oh, nice. Do a 360 in here?
Yeah. Then you get the view from this room to see the mountains. We have beautiful mountains here in Las Vegas. Now let's finish it up with this side of the house, which is your last primary bedroom. This primary bedroom will have this large window right here that you can push in the middle so you guys can let in air. Check this out, guys. This is a large primary bedroom, king size bed. You got oversized nightstands. You're gonna walk in here, you have your two sinks, his and hers, right here to my right. And then to the left, check this out. It's a nice walk-in stand-up shower. You have two different designs on the backsplash. You got the rectangle, like subway tiles with, what is this? Like a different stone finish, but you got the bench right there, black hardware, nice glass panel, upgraded ceramic tile flooring. And then you have your toilet right here. And then you have decent sized walk-in closet for your primary bedroom. Lots of space in this house. Did you guys love it? Let me know, guys. If this is your first time to the channel, please consider subscribing so we can continue to grow this channel. If you guys like this style where I have my cameraman behind, let me know if we should continue it. He has a great channel that does home tours. He's also a licensed realtor here in the Las Vegas area. Okay, so that's going to conclude this model home tour. And my name is Stan Lopez, and I'll see you guys on the next video.